at least being new to climbing, I'll get the start of something or halfway up something, and then I'll be like, I'll look around. I'm like, oh, I gotta be missing. No way, I have to miss something. This can't be the whole climb. And then it is. And then it is. Oh, it's such a barn door.
Is there a process?
I usually just go straight over the top, and then I'll go for the back as well. Yeah.
Tomorrow's my last day at what was for the longest time the best job I've ever had until this past season, and it kind of just all went to shit, really. So rest in peace.
Okay, I'm moving this.
I got these new shoes. They hurt my feet a lot. They might be a bit more aggressive than I need, really.
So how does it feel to be on top of Angel's Lane?
Well, I wouldn't know. I'm not on top of Angel's Lane. It feels
harsh.
Well, you can see it in the.
He's like.
Really,
Oh, Mike's cracking up. That's not it.
So it was nice to work like in the industry for a while, like at a snowboard shop. It was sick, especially one, in Park City, where I get a free Park City pass, and there's a lift right on top of the building. I mean, how can you complain? I'll tell you.
Left hand. Right hand. Left hand. Right hand. And left hand. Left hand. Right hand. Fuck me. Left hand. Right hand. Oh my god. Oh, we did it. See what I mean? Like that.
And you're probably asking yourself right now, who the fuck cares about this shit? I promise you, one time I did. I cared so much about this fucking place. I just wanted to work and to be awesome and to be fun. I was so happy to come to work every day to talk snowboarding about like, oh, did you see that clip? Did you see this movie? Did you go to the premiere? Are you gonna go ride? Blah, blah, blah. We're supposed to get snow, whole bit. And now, there's so little left that I care about, and that sucks.
I'm sorry, something funny.
No.
Oh, I'm sorry, something funny. I'm
You? Funny? Funny looking.
That one really hurts. Oh, we're there. Oh, we got it. Let's go. Oh my god.
Fuck that one.
Yeah, it sucks.
That was a little scary, I'm not gonna lie. But now I have to get all my shit out of here, which would be very sad. I don't know if you can see this poster frame picture thing up here in frame. That was a movie called Arc that came out my first year when I was here. That was really great, and I liked it a lot. It was featured in a magazine, in Slush Mag. So I got one of the mags, cut it up, made it into that whole piece, and then put it up there, where it's been, you know, since my first year here. And now I'll be taking that home with me today, I guess. Nobody else is, no one's gonna appreciate it. And then, you know, because I care, I didn't want blank wall space, I brought in my first burn board here and put it up. Just an old Kilroy from North Carolina. But we get people all the time who are like, yo, F State, oh my God, North Carolina, blah, blah, recess, blah, blah. So it will be sad to take it off the wall and for it not to be here anymore. But can't leave it here, unfortunately. Still keep a layer of wax on it. I don't really ever ride it anymore, but keep some wax on it just in case I do. And scrape it up and be on my way. It is sad to see her go. And myself, and the store.
There's two planes following each other. Guys, I swear, this really little thing that doesn't matter at all is like super important to me, okay? Allie, now that you're in the deli arts, how do you feel?
This goes above all expectations. Under the arch, many things happen.
Okay, well that sounds weird. Don't say it like that.
What?
Why'd you say it like that?
I don't know. Wait.
What happens under the arch? What's one of the many? Name one of the. There's many things. Okay, bye. There we go. There we go. Oh.